With Fooocus, you can create same consistent person of an AI generated face. In few minutes from now, you'll be able to create high resolution consistent characters. And not just faces, I'll explain how you can put your person in different poses while maintaining character consistency. First of all, we'll start with Fooocus on our browser using Google Colab. You can also install it locally using Pinocchio. I like to use it on Colab. I have made a detailed video on how to use Colab with Fooocus. For now, we'll quickly click on our Colab link, connect to a server, and run cells. Click the link generated. It'll open Fooocus in the new tab. Before we jump into generating images, here's a quick 5-step Fooocus tutorial. Number 1 is prompts. Fooocus is a stable diffusion UI, so your prompts parameters would be similar to stable diffusion. You can explore this website to see stable diffusion prompt examples. Input image option. You can add multiple image prompts, adjust these different options, and use settings like face swap and Piracani, which we'll be discussing in detail in ahead. Advanced options. Clicking Advanced checkbox will open a sidebar. On the first tab, you'll see performance presets, followed by aspect ratio, number of images that you wish to generate each time you hit generate, negative prompts, and a checkbox, which allows you to edit the seed. On the Style tab, you'll see an extensive variety of style presets, which are basically prompts that can help you generate images in different styles. On the Models tab, you can add custom models and refiners. By default, you have the Juggernaut XL model, which works well for regular image generation and face swapping. Now that we know the basics, let's start generating the face of our AI person. You can start typing your prompt right away. For example, an Italian model with short purple hair, brown eyes, and a symmetrical face. Here is the output generated with this prompt. If you aren't sure about your prompt and need inspiration, here are 3 quick ways to find example prompts. 1. Mid-Journey Explore feed. 2. Inside Civet AI LoRa and checkpoint pages. And 3. Fooocus describe image feature that works similarly to describe image feature on Mid-Journey. Let's continue generating our base image for the face. Once you have your prompt like this one here, hit generate, select the image you like. This image will set reference to the images we are going to generate. Let's use this face and create this person in different images. Drag this image to the image prompt in the Input Image tab. Click Advanced and select Face Swap. Edit the prompt box to add a new scene for the image while keeping the original prompt intact. You'll have the same face in your desired scene. You can play around with your prompt and make variations. To put your characters in different poses, we'll use the Piracani feature with the pose reference image. Just add your reference image and click Piracani. Make tweaks in the prompt to support the pose. You can see the comparison between the poses and the final output. During your generation, you might face situations when you have minor errors in the images like improper clothing, bad eyes, bad hands, etc. To fix this, drag your image into the In-Paint, Out-Paint tab. Drag on the area you want to change, add a simple prompt, hit generate. You'll have your desired image with fixed errors and high details. You may repeat the process again and again until you are satisfied with the results. There are limitless possibilities on how you can play around with this tool. From the aspect ratio, seed change, to a single word in your prompt, you have infinite possibilities to create consistent face images. We have discussed the most important ones in this video. I have more content coming up in the AI image generation domain, so please subscribe. Thank you.